Introduction to Wildfire Ecology and its significance. Historical perspective on wildfires in ecosystems. The role of fire in nutrient cycling. Fire as a natural part of many ecosystems. Positive impacts of wildfires on biodiversity. Fire promotes new growth in plants. The concept of pyrophytic plants. Challenges posed by increasing wildfire frequency. Human influence on wildfires and ecology. Importance of prescribed burns in forest management. Fire's impact on soil composition and health. Wildfire as a catalyst for change in ecosystems. Role of fire in shaping animal habitat. Fire's role in seed dispersal and germination. Debunking myths about fire ecology. The psychological impact of wildfires on community. Future of wildfire management and research. Supporting ecosystems affected by wildfires. The balance of fire and water in ecosystems. Conclusion, emphasizing coexistence with fire in ecology.